विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आजच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपल्याला फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग म्हणजे काय, फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग प्रोग्राम्स नॅशनल लेवलवर कोणते राबवले जातात त्याचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. त्याची का गरज आहे. व्हॉट इज फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग. प्लॅनिंग ऑफ फॅमिली टू रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ फॅमिली मेंबर्स टू फुलफिल basic needs to every family member, that is known as family planning. कुटुंब नियोजन होतं मराठीमध्ये. फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग means the planning of family to reduce the number of family members to fulfill all basic or essentialities to every individual in family, that is known as a family planning. And the programs related with family planning are the important on national level. म्हणजे राष्ट्रीय स्तरावर, स्टेट लेवलवर, राष्ट्रीय स्तरावर फॅमिली प्लॅनिंगचे भरपूर असे प्रोग्राम्स आहेत. Many family planning programs are related to plan the family to reduce the number of family members to fulfill all basic essentialities or needs to every individual in the family or every member in the family. These family planning programs are essential to maintain population in India. Now we know that India is suffering from main problem, that is population explosion. भारत सध्या लोकसंख्येचा उद्रेक या प्रॉब्लेममुळे त्रस्त आहे. इंडिया इज नाउ सफरिंग फ्रॉम पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. व्हॉट इज पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन? सडन अनकंट्रोल्ड increase in the number of population or increase the number of individuals in population in short time, that is known as a population explosion. And population explosion is directly affect on the medical facilities, the food programs, then standard of living, then housing problems, educational problems. Every problem in India is basically related with population explosion. Now there is corona, the worldwide disease. Now in India there is essentiality of medical facility to every corona patient, but due to population explosion no beds available in government hospital, in private hospital, no ventilators, no oxygen cylinders, so deaths are very common scene in India due to corona. So this is main problem due to population explosion. Then population explosion directly related with standard of living. म्हणजे कशा प्रकारे आपण जगलं पाहिजे, स्टँडर्ड जे भारताचं आहे, जे फॅमिलीचं आहे, ते आपण पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजनमुळे मेंटेन करू शकत नाही. पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन रिलेटेड विथ हाऊसिंग फॅसिलिटी. एव्हरीवन इज नीड इन द ओन हाऊस. प्रत्येकाला स्वतःचं घर पाहिजे असं वाटतं. बट इन इंडिया पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन इनक्रीज द स्लम एरिया और हाऊसिंग प्रॉब्लेम्स. Population explosion related with health, related with food supply, related with standard of living, related with housing facility. So to maintain population or to control the population, these family planning programs play very important role. What are these? These are birth control operations, that is the direct method to control population. What are birth control operations? Birth control operations are the short operations in male and female to control population explosion or to plan the family, to reduce the number of family members and to provide essentialities to every individual in the population. These birth control operations are two types: vasicotomy and tubectomy. Vasicotomy is a short operation in male in which vasa differentia of both sides which carry sperms from epididymis towards ejaculatory duct. These vasa differentia are cut down and their loose ends tied off. What happens due to this? Due to this, sperms never enter in the ejaculatory duct. स्पर्म्स सिमेन मध्ये कधीही येऊ शकणार नाहीत, कारण स्पर्म्सला येणारा जो स्पर्म डक्ट आहे ज्याला वाचा डिफरन्सिया म्हटलं जातं, त्याला आपण सेंटर मधून कट केले आणि ते कट केल्यामुळे स्पर्म्स सिमेन पर्यंत पोहोचू शकत नाही. So this is a operation in male. In male, vasa differentia of both sides are surgically cut down and their loose ends tied off to avoid entry of sperms in female. If no sperms in female, no problem of fertilization. Such male cannot fertilize the ovum. So this is the operation in male. Tubectomy is the short operation in female. In this operation, fallopian tubes of both sides are surgically cut down and their loose ends tied off. So to avoid the entry of ovum in the ampulla, if ovum not enter in the ampulla, no problem of fertilization. स्त्रियांमध्ये दोन्हीही गर्भनलिका दोन्ही साइडच्या सर्जिकली एका जागेवरून कट केल्या जातात आणि दोन्हीही जे ओपन एंड आहेत त्यांना टाईट केलं जातं, ज्याच्यामुळे फिमेलमध्ये तयार होणारा ओव्हा जो आहे किंवा ओव्हम जो आहे फिमेलमध्ये तो फॉलोपियन ट्यूब मधल्या एम्पुला पर्यंत पोहोचत नाही आणि अशी स्त्री जर ओव्हम फर्टिलाइज झाला नाही तर तो ओव्हम डाय होतो आणि फर्टिलायझेशन न झाल्यामुळं आपोआप फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग होतं. ह्याला म्हणायचं दोन ऑपरेशन अतिशय महत्त्वाचे. Vasectomy in male is a short operation in male in which vasa differentia of both sides are surgically cut down, their loose ends tied off. Such male can produce sperms, but due to cutting of vasa differentia, no entry of sperms in ejaculatory duct. So no sperms in female. In female, tubectomy is a surgical operation for family planning in which the fallopian tubes of both sides are surgically cut down, their loose ends tied off, and due to this no ovum enter in the ampulla of fallopian tube. If no ovum in ampulla of fallopian tube, no problem of fertilization. Then second are the birth control mechanical devices. Birth control mechanical devices are many types which are provided by government for family planning to utilize these birth control mechanical devices to avoid fertilization and to plan the family or for family planning. One are the condoms. Condoms are the mechanical devices for birth control utilized by male. Such condoms are prepared from thin rubber sheath weared on erect penis of male during sexual intercourse to avoid the entry of semen in vaginal tract. If no entry of semen in vaginal tract, no sperm fusion with ovum, no fertilization. So condoms are the birth control mechanical devices utilized by male weared on erect penis during sexual intercourse to avoid entry of semen in vaginal tract, no entry of semen in vaginal tract, no fusion of sperm with ovum. So family planning program is successful use of due to condoms. When there is utilization of condoms, condoms are generally utilized in the days between 12th to 18th of menstrual cycle. मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकलच्या 12व्या दिवसापासून ते 18व्या दिवसापर्यंत पुरुषांमध्ये कॉन्डोम्सचा वापर होतो, ज्याच्यामुळं व्हॅजिनल ट्रॅक्टमध्ये जे सिमेन डिस्चार्ज व्हायला पाहिजे ते सिमेन डिस्चार्ज होत नाही. नो डिस्चार्ज ऑफ सिमेन इन व्हॅजिनल ट्रॅक्ट, नो fusion of sperm with ovum. If no fusion of sperm with ovum, no fertilization, no zygote formation, so the population explosion or family planning program become successful. दूसरे आहेत loops or diaphragms. Loops or diaphragms are the mechanical birth control devices used by female, also prepared from thin rubber sheath, weared in vaginal tract, weared on vaginal tract, vagina, and this may avoid the entry of semen in the fallopian tube, in the uterus. No semen enter in the uterus or fallopian tube, no sperm fusion, no the formation of zygote. So it is very important to control family, or it may control the population explosion. Loops and diaphragm are the female birth control mechanical devices which are prepared from thin rubber sheath, weared on vagina or vaginal tract during sexual intercourse to avoid the entry of semen in uterus, in fallopian tube, to avoid fertilization. In this process, male can ejaculate semen, but thus this semen no enter in the fallopian tube and uterus. So this is the mechanical device to avoid birth. तिसरे आहे copper T. Copper T is a metal T which is fixed in uterus. It is intrauterine birth control device. Copper T is an intrauterine birth control mechanical device fixed in uterus by medical practitioner to block the openings of fallopian tubes in the uterus. फॉलोपियन ट्यूबच्या युटेरसमध्ये ज्या ओपनिंग आहेत किंवा युटेरसची फॉलोपियन ट्यूबमध्ये जी ओपनिंग आहे इस्थमसच्या ठिकाणी, त्या ठिकाणी ही कॉपर टी अशी फिक्स केली जाते जेणेकरून सिमेन ओवम पर्यंत पोहोचणार नाही. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट ऑपरेशन टू अवॉइड बर्थ, और it is a birth control device to avoid birth and to plan the family and to control the population explosion. Then copper T च्या नंतर आहे spirals and rings. Spirals and rings are the birth control mechanical devices fixed in the root of fallopian tube. युटेरस मधून फॉलोपियन ट्यूब मध्ये जो जाणारा मार्ग आहे त्या मार्गामध्ये असे स्पायरल टाकले जातात. हे स्पायरल किंवा रिंग जे असतात ते सिमेनला अँपुल्लामध्ये येऊ देत नाही. व्हॉट इज यूज ऑफ स्पायरल्स और रिंग्स? Spirals or rings block the fallopian tube to avoid entry of semen in the fallopian tube. Copper T, spirals and rings are the birth control devices which are used to used for MTP ह्याचा लॉंग फॉर्म विचारतात, मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेग्नन्सी फॉर टेम्पररी टाइम. काही काळापुरती प्रेग्नन्सी पुढे ढकलायची असेल तर अशा प्रकारचं कॉपर्टी किंवा स्पायरल्सचा वापर केला जातो, जेणेकरून त्या फिमेलमध्ये सिमेनमध्ये म्हणजे सिमेन फॉलोपियन ट्यूब मधल्या एम्पुलापर्यंत पोहोचणार नाही आणि ज्यावेळेस परत बर्थ द्यायची आहे, चाइल्ड बर्थ द्यायची आहे, त्यावेळेस हे कॉपर्टी किंवा स्पायरल्स किंवा रिंग्स जे असतात ते सर्जिकली रिमूव्ह केले जातात. परत ती स्त्री बाळाला जन्म देऊ शकते. दिस आर दी टेम्पररी मेथड्स फॉर बर्थ कंट्रोल. त्यानंतर आपल्याला बघायचे तर बर्थ कंट्रोल फिजियोलॉजिकल डिव्हाइसेस और केमिकल डिव्हाइसेस. बर्थ कंट्रोल पिल्स, birth control pills are utilized by female. These are hormonal tablets. These hormonal tablets suppress ovulation and ovum not reach in the fallopian tube, or ovulation is suppressed, so automatically there is birth control in female by taking pills. These hormonal pills are maybe daily, maybe weekly as per doctor's advice, maybe monthly, and now there is also available in medical field 6-month injection, 1-year injection to avoid the pregnancy. To avoid pregnancy, there are daily tablets, physiological tablets, monthly tablets, weekly tablets, maybe of 6 months, maybe of 1 year to avoid pregnancy. This is the most important method to avoid the birth. For example, Maladi, which are daily used, Saheli, pearls. These are the important examples of birth control mechanical or birth control chemical pills, which are physiological methods for birth control. Then foams or spermicides. Foams or spermicides are utilized to kill the sperms in semen. सिमेन मधल्या स्पर्म्सला मारणारे स्पर्मिसाइड्स किंवा त्याला आपण फोम्स म्हणून, त्या सिमेन मधल्या स्पर्म्सला जर मारलं तर तो स्पर्म ओव्हम पर्यंत जाणार नाही. ओव्हिडक्ट मध्ये गेला तर तो डेड कंडिशन मध्ये फर्टिलाइज करू शकणार नाही. याला एक अतिशय महत्त्वाचं केमिकल मेथड ऑफ बर्थ कंट्रोल म्हटलं जातं. हे आहेत फिजियोलॉजिकल अँड केमिकल बर्थ कंट्रोल मेथड्स. त्यानंतर आपल्याला पाहिजे तर काही एज्युकेशनल बर्थ कंट्रोल प्रोव्हिजन्स. काय एज्युकेशनल बर्थ कंट्रोल प्रोव्हिजन्स और इनडायरेक्ट? We can give the education to the students in schools and colleges about the benefits of small family, hazards or effects of large family, indirectly to the students in syllabus. Health workers and social workers also can advertise in rural areas for family planning, for birth control, and for the education of birth control devices, and the important which is to control the birth or to plan the family. त्यानंतर advertisement through mass media on TV, radio, newspapers, posters, banners about the family planning, about the birth control devices, and the educate the people in rural areas for birth control or for family planning. So these are the important family planning programs on national level, which are given by government, given by school and college syllabus to educate the people in rural area, in urban area for family planning, to maintain the number of family members and to decrease the population, to control population explosion. So thank you. In next period, I will take the reproductive health. सिफायलिस आणि गनोरिया नावाचे दोन डिसीज आपल्याला रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह हेल्थशी संबंधित असणारे पाहिजे.